The angled chimney for the titanium base has all the advantages of all our other angled abutments, but is used exclusively with the titanium base. Highlights include its optimized access screw channel design, continuous surface to implant. It also has retention pins and two flat inner walls to engage the angled chimney to the titanium base. Because of these walls, the angled chimney for the titanium base cannot rotate. But this is positive because it greatly decreases room for error. Also unique to the product is its orifice for easy cementation, which makes cementing cleaner and easier. Here we can see how the angled chimney for the titanium base is used before and after casting.